You can keep this mask for as long as you like. It has no side effects. You can wear this mask for the whole day. It has no side effects. So yeah. Facial mask or face mask are not magic. Like, guys, healthy skin depends on how you take care of it on a daily basis, which include cleansing routines and staying hydrated. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take care of my skin when I'm at home with my family. I'm going to show you how I make my facial mask. It's a DIY facial mask. And also, guys, face mask won't erase your bad skin care habits, you know, after just one use. It can like provide you with that extra boost. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my homemade mask for me and my family on a weekend or when I'm chilling at home. It has no side effects. You know, I'm doing this facial mask. It's simple. You only just need 3 ingredients, which I'm about to show you now. So you're gonna need your moringa powder. You're gonna need your moringa powder, your honey, raw honey, and lastly, you're gonna need a small amount of pure water, a container, you want some olive oil, and you're gonna need a brush. So guys, the benefits of homemade facial mask, it can, first of all, it's cheaper than going to a spa and do your facial mask. Made mask, it's cheaper than visiting a spa. Yeah, you hear me very well. Number 2, like, it's soften, brighten, and exfoliating your skin. It's good for your skin, guys. So those are the only 3 ingredients that you need in order for you to do this facial mask, or you can say face mask. So guys, before we do this paste, let's talk about moringa powder and its benefits. Moringa powder has vitamin C. It's good for your skin. It removes dark spots, and also moringa powder helpful in removing it's in preventing acne breakouts. It also removing acne, dark spots, and also blemishes. So moringa powder is good for your skin. That it's very, very helpful. You should have it on your household because it really removes dark spots. So let's move to your honey. Honey, like, guys, is everything. Honey is everything. It may benefit both oily and acne prone skin. Honey removes all the dirt on your skin. It also moisturizes your skin. If you want that glow on your skin, you should consider using honey on your homemade masks. Open the pores. Since it's open the pores, it's cleans your skin thoroughly. It actually moisturizes and adding the moisture on your skin. If you want that glow, guys, you should consider using honey on every like homemade face mask. Obviously, you have to use water so that we can easily apply it on the face or on your face. Let me show you how I do this simple mask. You're gonna need a container. Like, this is how I do it. 1 teaspoon of my moringa powder, 1 spoon of honey, 1 and a small amount of water. Don't put too much because like you are making a paste. We are making what? A paste. So you don't have to put like too much. another water. If you see that it's too thick, you should just keep on adding water bit by bit. So this is my paste. See? This is the paste that we want. And it does not smell nice. If you have a problem with its smell, you can add a rosemary essential oil for the smell, but I don't have a problem with that smell. So its smell, it's like cow's poop, yeah, but I don't have a problem with that smell. But if I can sell it, then I can add rosemary essential oil. That's the consistency that we want. Now let's apply it on our face. Show you how I apply my facial mask. So I'm using my makeup brush. This can be so dirty and messy, so be careful when you're using your fingers. So it's advisable to use a brush or makeup brush. So a lady's house, but you look at see like this type of things we call it ovo. This type of things we call it ovo. So ovo wami ke lo glower. This is my ovo for glowing skin. Oh, this is my ovo for glowing skin. Yep. So yeah guys, that was for today. As I told you guys, for dark spots you can use this paste on dark spots only. If you have the dark spots, blemishes, you can use this paste on dark spots because it does wonders. It does wonders. I've been using this paste for like, I don't know, hey, but even my mom recommends it, and my sisters, even my whole family recommends this. They love it so much. I used to do this mask on weekends where I'm at home, like chilling at home with my family. So it does wonders on my skin, and it has no side effects, guys. These are home remedies, so there's no side effects. Moringa powder has vitamin C. It's good with your skin. It's, you know, and also honey, it's good. Comment down below like what are your thoughts. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. It does wonders. You'll see the difference on your skin. So I'm gonna use this for future purposes. Keep this refrigerated for later use. You can rinse off with warm or cool water and then moisturize your face. That's it. Let me go and rinse off my face so that I can show you like the whole process, right? So keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and let me know on the comments what are your thoughts, guys. I just want to know your thoughts, and I will highly appreciate if you hit the notification bell so that you're gonna get notified when I'm posting a new video. So guys, keep on watching. I'm coming just now. Hey guys, so now I'm back. Now my skin is clean, scrupulously clean. I've rinsed my face with cool water. You can use cool or warm water, it's up to you. Now it's clean It's free from the dirt. Now I'm wiping my face. And guys, if you wipe your face, you don't have to like scratch it. Just scratch. Do not scratch your face. This is how we do it. See? Oh, I'm an Evening Lovely lady. So I'm using Evening Lovely on my face to moisturize my face. Oops. So guys, that was for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And I just want to thank you once again for the subscribers that I have so far. Like, it's like, I don't know. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Bye.